Outfit check. What's goody? I have no idea why the heat is on. It's actually a decently nice day and I'm excited about it because I am going on a hike. And that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna meet up with my girls. We're gonna get active, move, may as well make the best of the weather that we get. So come along with me, it's gonna be fun. I hope y'all as excited as I am. Let's get it. See you when I get there. What's good? We made it. All right, y'all. So if you have not guessed, Wagwan, what's popping, what we doing? We're doing a nature hike. Get your exercise in by any means. Housekeeping rules before we get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We trying to figure it out. But while we figure it out, look, falls. We're getting closer and closer. We're closer and closer. She said this is cute, and I agree. Oh, you can't cross the bridge. They blocked it off. So how on earth do we get to the other side? So currently, Vanessa is the most adventurous because she has made her way. I'm gonna make my way, but I need to see her do it first. How you feeling, Keish?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, but I mean,
I'm Rain. Okay, Keish is the next Braveheart. You did it. You did it. You did it. How do you feel? And of course, I had to do it too. You know I don't chicken out, y'all. I see them do it successfully, so I am making my way across. Balancing. Y'all, we made it to our little discovery before our hike, Sherman Falls. Sherman Falls. Now we're walking back, waking up in the morning, feeling so many things. Now we're going for some of the hidden treasures on the Bruce Trail. Woo. I don't want to wait for my life to be over. At this point, y'all should be counting how many times I break out in song. We walking. Love to see it. Vibes. Loving you is the la 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 la. I'm annoying, sorry, I'll stop. I love when the sun peeks through. This is so pretty. This is where we came from. Stop for a little fruit snack. Sorry.
and a break.
Y'all, if you're still watching, I'd love to see it. We are almost at the destination. I definitely did huff and puff up these stairs, but this made for a great adventure. Not everyday food venture. We still get active. A healthy balance is key. Say what up, though. Hey, what up, though? This is beautiful. Love to see it. We're right in the water. We are crossing. This is the falls, Tiffany Falls. We went on our trip in our favorite vacation, going through the sky. Tiffany Falls. It's lit. Get it, get it, get it. We vibed out, took pics, ate snacks. That's it. So that was awesome. We made it to Tiffany Falls. It wasn't as full as the first falls that we haphazardly came across, but it was cool. There's a lot more people here. And now we're making ourselves way back so we can actually get food and not just the snacks that we were having. See you when I get there. Back. Going back on these steep stairs. Okay. Run. Steepity, steep, steep, steepity, steep, steep. Look at Steepy go. Telling you all. The snake was somewhere here, not true? Guys, we saw a snake. Isn't that crazy? Woo. Near the water? I hope you guys really enjoyed the views, the nature, and I strongly encourage you guys to find local hike destinations near you because wow, it was a vibe. We got the goods. Yay. Do, do, do. It says heat me up. I'm eating it now. What do you mean? Biscuit Magoo. So we stopped for food as I said we would. This is a vegan restaurant called Bring Me Some. Everything we are eating is vegan friendly. Thank you for Shelly and Nay for putting me on. It was 13 minutes from the falls, so it was a good snack. I enjoyed. This is supposed to be shrimp, and it tastes exactly like shrimp, but it's vegan. Oh my gosh, mind blown. Anyways, I'm signing out, y'all. See you in the next video.